Hindi nakauna ata.
Sinasabotahin siya. Okay. Sinasabotahin kasi alam na makukuha niya yung corona ngayon. Coronang tinig. Kasi malapit ang Semana Santa. So yun na lang ang SS at pag-PLF ko. Bakit? Basta sa akin ang pag-ibig mo. I'm Roldana Di Maputi from La Mesa, Valenzuela City! Thank you very much. Contestant number 1, you stay here first. One because of Sister Rakas. Next, please welcome contestant number 2.
Batangas ka ba?
Bakit?
Tagal na kitang inaapan naman eh. I'm Mara Mamugas from La Mesa.
There you have it. Thank you very much, contestant number 2. Please come proceed, contestant number 3.
Nabaysa ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi ang sarap mong patungan. Balikin natin with Balag Street, Valenzuela City.
Thank you very much, contestant number 3. So what about contestant number 4? Araw ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi tanghali ka lang pagtapat.
Ano daw?
I'm Margo, 24 years old from Gente de Leon, Valenzuela City. Thank you very much, contestant number 4. So what about contestant number 5? Baril ka ba? Paputok naman, isa lang. Ako si Alvina Makati from Ugong, Valenzuela City. Thank you very much, contestant number 5. So what about contestant number 6? Monday, you there, yes. We're going to the dance, yes. It's really worldwide, yes. Let me open your treasure chest. Play this. Bakto ka ba? Obvious bag?
Ano? What? Ano?
Take 2. Bakto ka ba? Obvious ba? Alam ko to.
I'm Maxine from La Mesa Street, Valenzuela City.
Thank you very much, contestant number 6. So what about contestant number 7?
Unggoy ka ba? Hindi ka lang kumapit sa puso ko, pati sa utak ko, sumapit ka na rin. I'm Yelita Herrera from Gente de Leon, Valenzuela City.
Thank you very much, contestant number 7. So what about contestant number 8?
Para tayong transfer zombie.
Bakit?
Kasi habang kinakain kita, tinitira mo ko. I'm Carla from Valenzuela City.
Thank you very much, contestant number 8. So what about contestant number 9?
Kung ka ba? Kasi sakto ka na sa puso ko, ikaw pa ang happiness ko.
papaliwa. Thank you very much, Daywong. Sinoral ko. What about contestant number 10?
Haludax ka ba?
Bakit?
Pwede mo bang bakuran ng puso kong patay na sa'yo? My name is Celine from Quezon, Venezuela City.
Next, please come to stage contestant number 11.
Knitting cup noodles ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi nagugutom na ako sa pagmamahal mo. I'm Nani Rodriguez from Valenzuela City.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, palagpakan natin ang ating contestant 11, Ramley's Catering Party 2013. Wow! Who's your man? Okay, so before that, let's proceed now to the Q&A portion. Okay, let's begin with contestant number 1, center stage.